Hi, it's Gavin again from Lucid Computer Solutions. How are we doing? So today I've got one of my kind of off-the-cuff impromptu videos because of something which has come into the business today, and I just thought I'd touch on it because, as ever, I thought it may be helpful to some people out there who might be stuck with this kind of thing. So we've had a potentially failed MacBook come into us. I say potentially failed, basically it's no longer booting up. Now, I realise we could try and get it booted and fix that problem, but that's actually not what's important here. What's important is the customer's data. That's much more important. It doesn't matter if we get the MacBook actually working or they end up replacing it or whatever it may be. That's not important here. The recovery of the data is the important bit. So, how do we recover files on a potentially failed MacBook? So here's what we've done. So I'm just going to lift this up gently. So what I've got here is the potentially failed MacBook, and down here you can see where that white rectangle is. That's where the hard drive was, the computer hard drive, and all that is the device which stores all the data and files. I've removed that from this MacBook and I've installed it in a spare PC I've got at the office, which is a Windows computer. Now, I've booted into Windows, or started it up for non-Muggle folk, non-geek folk, is I've started up into Windows, but the problem to begin with is that Windows can't see a Mac hard drive as it is without something else to help it see the hard drive. So what I've done over here on this screen here is I've installed a tool from Paragon software. I really like the Paragon software suite. They do all kinds of wonderful products, but in particular today I've used the one to recover or at least read a Mac hard drive on Windows. So I've installed that piece of software, and what you can see here on the screen is the Mac hard drive, which is great. And all that simply means is what I'm now able to do is, in this case, the hard drive was operating absolutely fine, and I've been able to copy and paste the customer's data onto another drive for safekeeping, which is then going to allow me to put the Mac hard drive back in the MacBook and try and diagnose exactly why it's not starting up and what's going on there. Safe in the knowledge, no matter what the outcome is, we have a copy of the customer's data, because fundamentally that's all the customer's bothered about. They're not actually bothered the Mac isn't working, it's the fact that they want their files. And I know there's a conversation around backup and what they should be doing, I get that, but here today, right here and now, they need them files, and that is how we've relatively quickly retrieved the files from a failed MacBook. So I hope that's been useful to some of you watching this on how to do that. It's quick, it's easy, it's quite simple. If it has, please do smash the like button. It really helps grow our channel. Smash the like button as well if you like my hairband and my growing hair. We're still in lockdown when it comes to the hairdressers, so still waiting for a haircut, of course. Please do subscribe to the channel. We're releasing new content all the time. And please do feel free to comment on this video. I always try and get back to everybody personally. And likewise, use the links below to connect with me on the likes of Instagram, LinkedIn and Twitter. So that's me, Gavin from Lucid Computer Solutions. I'll see you on the next video.